how to update your Edits app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply update your Edit app on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open your Play Store in your device. Once you are inside the Play Store, tap onto the search bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then again tap onto the search bar at the top and type in Edits. Now you'll see a profile that says Edits, an Instagram app. Click on its profile. In the profile section, you'll see an update button if the app is in update, but if the app is not in the update mode, then you'll see the regular button called open. But if there is the update button, tap on the update button and your app will be updated immediately. That's how you can update your Edits app on your device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.